Okay, so I'm gonna do a video on why I'm vlogging, or vlogging, as I've said before, whatever you want to call it, whatever satisfies you. Anyways, Rebel Yell 91, I got interested in a Ninja 250, and he had one at the time. It's back in 2008, and he started posting videos of him with a camera in his helmet. Ooh, I kind of want to go straight. I think I'm going to go straight. Try to go straight at least. Oh wow, excuse me. Anyways, he was doing a video on how to ride a Ninja 250, and yeah, I was hooked since then. You know, I've been watching his videos, and I say I was watching his videos, and as over the years, I watched his, and he got me hooked on Z-Magic 97. He is the one that really motivated me to get my bike. He motivated me to get the Honda CBR F4i that I am riding right now. And it had nothing to do with me asking him. It was strictly on his reviews and just his thoughts on the bike, how it, you know, rode, how it responded to him, and I was sold. It is a sick looking bike. I love the look of this bike, and the fact that it's a 600. The real point that I really liked, it wasn't just So, anyways, the fuck? See, this is what I'm talking about. I go from a street that I barely knew, and I end up next to the Best Buy on Texas. So, I can go either way home now.
Best believe I be popping, no smoking and sipping, double dash when I'm flipping, and you think you can fuck with me? Kicking ass, taking names as I throw these creams, you know I'm still claiming BTB. Kicking ass, taking names as I throw these claims, you know I'm still claiming BTB. Slow motion with the potion, I proceed to make my eyes bleed. Little's not enough, bomb trees when I pop. Facing with the chronic, throw it off speed with the bluff. Facing with the chronic, throw it off speed with the K-O-T-T-O-N-L-O-U.
I like listening to the exhaust because it's loud as shit. Have a D&D exhaust on it. Let's see, what was my original topic in this video? Oh yeah, how I got started, or what made me want to vlog. So, I enjoyed watching their videos. It gave me entertainment when I wasn't able to ride, because it's like I was living through them. You know, it's because where the camera is, it's not necessarily listening to them. Yeah, you know, it's interesting to hear what they have to say, but it feels like you're the one riding the bike. So it feels like you're there, and it's just an experience, and you know, I wouldn't mind giving that experience to someone else. And you know, as corny as that may sound, I mean, I enjoyed it when I was like that, so I figured someone else could enjoy it too. And you know, there's only so many vloggers. I mean, what is there, like 2,000-3,000? But I personally only know of like 15, or there's 15 that I would probably watch and not, you know, even consider exiting out. Really? Really, poker? I'm probably going to be immature. Yeah, I'm immature.
You got to know the boy futuristic ain't it? My work can make the J do the jump, man, can't it?
I didn't necessarily have to speed past her just to prove a point. And there is no point to prove. Yes, I know this.
Don't I love my vegetables, extra cheese and broccoli? Don't young lady like to kick it like karate? Don't I be with J Money?
Enjoy saying my 2 cents.
Ain't me until taking off like a rocket. Ain't my money long. Ain't I still putting on. Ain't I smoking strong. Ain't I putting on. Ain't I rocking yays. Ain't my money long. Ain't I ain't no view. Ain't I on the hill.
But you know what? I have not seen any vloggers from Texas. There's Jim from Texas who rides a cruiser. I can't remember exactly what it is, and
Young LA and T.I., this a banger. Throw you on that thing, you don't hear me trick, ain't I? Big roll Russies, and I got them nauseous. We be in Ferraris.
but yeah, so especially in College Station, there's so many sports bikes, so many. It's ridiculous. But none have vlogged, and I don't think any have. I mean, I've typed in College Station. Yeah, I've typed in a couple different things to try and find someone who records themselves, whether they're talking or just writing. I try to find someone who has, and I can't find anyone. So I think I might be the first one in College Station, the first vlogger in College Station that lives in College Station. So hopefully I can continue this, and if not, then I attempted. And that's what this is all about. It's just a trial and run. And I'm basically going to go off of what you guys say. If you guys think that I should continue, or, you know, it's like, it's there, just keep working on it, then, alright, you know, I'll do it. So, you know, give me some feedback. Just, you know, don't be a dick about it. If you're like, dude, no, okay, don't sit there and be like, dude, fuck you, you this or that, you stupid, you know, you're horrible, you shouldn't do anything, you should go die. I'm gonna ignore it. I mean, whatever, you want to say your 2 cents, fine, be it. I ain't gonna care. Alright guys, RFR 29 out.